Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious stock from scratch. First, gather your main ingredients: bones, a selection of aromatic vegetables, and plenty of cold water. Roasting your bones beforehand is a crucial step. It adds a wonderful depth of flavor and a beautiful golden hue to your finished stock. Next, roughly chop your chosen vegetables, such as onions, carrots, and celery, to prepare them for the pot. Once your ingredients are prepped, place the roasted bones and chopped vegetables into a large stock pot. Cover everything with cold water, ensuring it's about 2 inches above the ingredients. Slowly bring the pot to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Once simmering, immediately reduce the heat to low, allowing the stock to cook slowly and extract maximum flavor without becoming cloudy. Hey everyone, if you're finding these cooking tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. Quick recommendation. On another note, imagine listening to your favorite cooking playlist or setting timers hands-free while making your delicious stock. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. As your stock gently simmers, you'll notice foam and impurities rising to the surface. Use a ladle or spoon to carefully skim these off, keeping your stock clear. Continue to simmer for several hours. A good chicken stock might take 4 hours, while beef stock could take 6 hours or more. Finally, carefully strain the finished stock through a fine mesh sieve, discarding the solids.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.